overshadowed by the more well-known witch trials of Salem, disenfranchised young women began to experience violent fits and hallucinations. The village pastor made the swift diagnosis of possession by the devil, witchcraft. Their anomalous behavior became attributed to the land itself.
Hey, Derek, I got a new idea. We pull over and we just chuck Jill right off.
Hey, this is my baby. I got your back.
Get the phone out of my face. Okay, relax. Didn't seem to mind being filmed last time I checked.
Where you headed?
Ski resort.
Road's closed, I'm afraid.
Trust me, I will save us at least an hour.
What do you think she did?
Copulated with the devil. Did I do that? I'm so sorry.
Derek, look out!
Hey, everybody out. We're stuck. We gotta push.
This thing isn't going anywhere.
Does anybody have a signal yet? We need to let someone know we're out here.
We're not getting out of here. What? We can't stay here.
I'll go for help.
I'll go with you.
They've been gone a really long time.
What was that?
Iron fence, just like she said. The pamphlet she read. This place getting possessed. She's causing this to happen.